Let's go. I want to take if you didn't know. You can hear it in the flow. For the time, nigga, do what I want. Summertime, I'm getting cold. I just fucked this in the fold, yeah. Cause my bankroll didn't fold. Now my niggas didn't fold. They want that shit where head go. I might pull up on them in the rose. Boy, great poop on these niggas. Boy, I'm ready poop on these niggas. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sonic here with a video today. A little quick video. Not major right now. We gonna get into the major stuff. Probably it'll be sometime today or tomorrow. Probably. But I got a little quick video for y'all and whatnot. Not an unboxing, more like an unpacking, or whatever you want to call it. A little review on something I just got Tuesday. Before I tell y'all what I got, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, for new videos. Hit the post notification bell for new videos. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I'm gonna leave that down below in the description. Well, today I got a little unpacking video. I just got 2 new shirts from MixedEmotions. I'm gonna leave the Instagram page in the description. And I'm gonna leave a link to get these shirts in the description as well. Y'all go. And I'm gonna leave my promo code down there for 10% off on all your orders. Let's just get into this real quick. Alright, here's the package right here. Got 2 new shirts. We about to check it out and see what they look like. These look nice. Should I play the music? I'm gonna just turn it down and play it. So y'all can still hear me, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here's the first shirt. I'm gonna do this one. Here's the first shirt. I really don't want to take it out the package yet, but this is one of the new MixedEmotion shirts. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out the package just yet, but when I decide to take it out, I'm gonna put a fit on with it. See what we got. This is the gray shirt, and it just say emotion, and it say fear, and all the other stuff on it. This is a nice shirt. Should I take out the pack? I'm gonna probably do that probably at the end of the video or whatever. And this is the shirt I was highly impressed with. You got the Cupid on there. Let me flip it over. You got the Cupid on there. It say emotions with some flowers. Listen, I'm gonna find something. Hold on, hold them both up. Both shirts, you feel me? I think I'm gonna take them off the package at the end of the video, but I gotta get back on my emotions grind. I got almost everything on the site. Turn this up a little bit. There's tabs on me. But I got a lot of MixedEmotion stuff. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I got 7 hats. I got every hoodie. Well, I can't say every because I still need that gray jogger set. I need the red zip-up hoodie. I need the cream zip-up hoodie. I only got the black one and the blue one. I think I got the blue one too. But I ain't wearing that yet. I ain't wearing that right now. When they come back into the fall or winter, we gonna go in there right there. But hey, these shirts is nice though. Oh, and I got my shoes. I got the shoes that'll go with this shirt. I got the shoes. I got the shoes to go with it. You feel me? I got the shoes to go with the shirt. Come on. All I need is probably like some, either some black jogger shorts or some black jean shorts. Y'all let me know. Listen, I got the shoes to go with the shirt. You feel me? Listen, bro. I'm gonna make something happen with this. Oh, that's on me. Baby mamas. Look, and I got a hat too. A hat to go with it too. Come on. I got the hat, shirt, and shoes. All I need is some pants. I mean, some shorts. And this will be a crazy summer fit. Yeah, I got something cooped up for this. Now with this, I'm a dig for something. I got something to go with this shirt too. But it's gonna come together, you feel me? But yeah, here are the two shirts today. Here are both shirts. Let y'all check it out. Let y'all check that out. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out the package. I don't feel like folding them back up. But as soon as I get something for this, y'all gonna see the fit. As soon as I get something for this, y'all gonna see the fit. But yeah, man, I gotta get back on my emotion grind. They dropped a bunch of. I still need the rest of the hats. I need that gray jogger suit. I need that red and cream hoodie zip ups. What else they got on there? I ain't got. They got a couple more shirts I don't got. They got some shorts I ain't got. But hey, I'm about to get back on it. Y'all need to bring the t-shirts back out because I need some more. I ain't gonna lie. But these shirts go crazy though. These shirts go crazy. But yeah, I need some more white shirts, regular white shirts, black shirts, some gray shirts. The gray shirts just need to be a little more loose because it was kind of tight on me now. It fit kind of tight, and I don't want to be too tight. I need a little bit of room. Yeah, that's the one take plan. I got the one take plan. Rest when I'm rich. That's the only time I'm going to sleep. Oh yeah, but like I said, I got the MixedEmotion shorts. Y'all want these? Go on there. Use my promo code. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that in the description. I'm gonna leave the Instagram link, the website link, the promo code. I think I still got some other promo codes y'all can use. I can leave those down there too as well. I just gotta find them. But yeah, man. Like I said, MixedEmotion is my personal favorite brand. Well, probably the first brand I worked with. Am I getting the money? I don't care about the money, but it'd be cool if I did. But I ain't tripping on that. But that's my brother, man. I'm gonna even leave his Instagram down here as well. This year, resident evidence. Go ahead and Tampa Bay bars. We're gonna see what he pop out next for the summertime, man. Cause I know the wintertime probably gonna be a crazy time. He probably gonna have a lot of hoodies, joggers. I'm gonna need all that. I need everything, and I think he need a new color for some shoes too. The first two I got crazy, but yeah. I'm gonna leave that. That's the video. I'm gonna leave everything I said in the description. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and all, man. Hit the post notification bell for new videos. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. I'll leave that down below. I'm going to leave a link for MixedEmotion's Instagram, the website, his Instagram, and my promo code. Press the extra 2 or 3 I got stashed around here. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, y'all.
Most of the rest of these rappers missing. I'm supposed to be best of the rappers mentioned. I'm as dope as Pyrex, hot as the kitchen right there. Fuck it, one take. These gonna kill one.
Hey. then we're gonna get back to the one take. I know I gotta go back to some of the old stuff. We gonna get back into the Wayne stuff. And I still gotta drop this freestyle sometime. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But the freestyle gonna come in the morning. But one take, we gonna get back to him. And the Wayne catalog, we about to get back to that. I still gotta finish the drop 3, and then we gonna move on to dedication 3. I got y'all. We about to listen to some one take for a little bit. Again, here go the shirts, man. Y'all want these, go to the site. We ain't about to be gassy. The green rappers get their asses. The green rappers is ratchet. I'm in T-Mac for the magic. Then we're going to do it anyway. I got some young niggas